صيدلية.
أسبوع.
أسبوع. No.
ES.
Neat. A soap.
That's what I said.
No. You said it wrong.
That's what I said. I said it.
Soap.
That's what I tried to say.
Soap.
I meant.
How do you sound at the end?
Okay.
Soap. صباح الخير عاملين ايه؟ How are you guys? النهاردة الفلوج مختلف شوية. Today the vlog is a little bit different because I have got a challenge from one of my subscribers and he has asked me if I can make like a challenge between me and my wife. Yeah, so today I have found some old flashcards and we are going to see how many we remember. And to make this a little bit more exciting and interesting, we have a prize for the winner. Okay, so the one of us who remember most word will get this cake. It's a chocolate cake. Ta-da! So this is the prize for the winner. So I really hope I will win this challenge. Okay, so let's start. Okay, so first we will have 10 cards each. I will read the word in Arabic and my wife has to reply with the meaning in English. Okay, so let's start. Laban.
Milk.
Wow, that was so easy.
Give to me.
1 point to Solveig. Okay, so the next word.
Mataf.
Mataf, that is station.
Museum.
Museum.
Your turn.
So what is station?
Mat'am. No, I mean Mahatta.
Anyways, the next word. Sageir.
Cigarette.
Yes, like.
Give.
And sorry if I pronounced Arabic words a little bit wrong. It's not so easy.
Forn.
Forn, like oven.
And
bakery. Forn. Bakery. She only gets easy words. This is so easy. Mudaris.
Teacher. Okay, your next word is Bikem.
Became. That is 2 words now.
Yeah.
How? What's the price? How much?
How much? Yes.
Baku.
Oh, it means a small bag.
Yes, or small package.
Yeah.
Small bag. I think small bag is keys. So that isn't right.
Okay.
No, it's not. Baku is not small bag. 3 points. 2 points.
Meshi.
Okay. Meshi. Benzina.
Gas station.
Yes, that's right.
Bosta.
Post office.
Yes.
Izine.
We want.
We want, they want, you plural want.
Yes, thank you.
There we go. 4 to me, and you have
5.
5.
Shy.
Shy.
Yes.
Tea.
Yes.
Woo! Kitabhum.
Kitabhum. Their books.
Their books.
Their books.
Their book. Their book.
Their book.
Kitabhum.
Eid Milad.
Birthday.
Yes.
Eid Milad. Dorik.
Huh?
Dorik. Your turn.
Oh.
Aymara.
Building.
Very good.
Thank you. Sadeleya.
No, that's wrong.
Saydaleya.
Pharmacy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How do you say it?
Isn't
Sadeleya.
it Sandaleya?
No. Sadeleya.
Sadaleya. Is that right? Saydaleya.
Okay, last word.
Okay, so now the last word for each of us. The score is
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Saba.
I have also 7 points. This is very... This is not fair. Only easy words to my wife. Rose.
Rice.
Yes.
Shukran. Kurasa.
Kurasa. A notebook.
Yes.
8 point each. So now we are taking this to the next level. We will read the word in English and we have to answer in Arabic. That is more difficult. So, alright. Beer.
It's very similar. It's just bira.
Bira.
Tickets.
Tickets. Tizeker.
Yes.
Morning.
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 Sabah.
No.
Oh, Edor. No, that's
No.
afternoon. It starts with an E.
Yes, that's right.
Eshop. Eshop.
Eshop, no.
What is Eshop? Nothing?
Nothing at all. Think. You can do this.
Morning. Espoir.
Spua, no.
ES?
Neat,
Oh.
Aesop.
That's what I said.
No, you said it wrong.
That's what I said.
Espo.
Eshop. I said it.
Aesop.
That's what I tried to say.
Aesop.
I meant.
You
to
how
say
do you have this sound at the end?
Okay, okay.
Aesop.
Like the over.
Fo.
Yes.
Fo. Fo.
Okay, show off. Next.
Oh, this is so difficult.
Yeah.
Oil.
Oil. Zayt.
Good.
Big box.
Big box. Bartuman.
No, that's jar.
What is it?
Sando. 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 Wrong.
Okay, the next word is bottle. Bottle.
Izazat. Izazat. Izazat.
Izaza.
Small package.
Oh, small package.
We already had this one.
It's not keys. I don't know.
Paco.
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 Pen.
Alan.
Okay. Next word.
Ooh. Moment.
Moment. Laza.
Yes.
لحظة واحدة. I want.
عايزة. عايز. Very.
Very. حلوة جدا. جدا.
No. Not جدا.
Very. I think جدا also is very.
Yes, but it's not this one.
حلوة.
What? You use this every day?
تمام.
No! Awi!
Awi. Of course.
Awi! You say it every day.
Yeah, but you can also say.
Yeah, but I wasn't
Jiddan.
this one. It was wrong.
No! This have to be a joke. Pencil.
Alam Rusos. Thank you.
I'm losing! What about the cake?
Nuts.
Nuts.
Yes, I know this one.
Yeah, but you get only easy words.
If you say this is easy, what is it?
Nuts. I don't know.
Mukassarat.
Okay, so the next word is who.
Who?
Yeah.
Min?
Yes, min.
Thank you. The word is jam.
Jam. Jam. Bartuman. Bartuman.
Yes, that's what you have the jam inside, but what is jam?
Jam. Yeah, but I thought about jar. No.
Yeah, but the word is jam.
Jam. Jam. Syltetøy in the Norwegian. In Arabic, it has to be something like, I don't know.
Marabba.
Marabba.
I think I'm winning.
I think I'm losing.
Okay, 2 more words left.
Two more words and خلاص. ماشي. Yalla. Okay, the next word is next to.
Ganb.
Very good. Very good.
Carton.
Carton.
Karton.
Karton.
No.
Kartona.
Yes.
Kartona. Thank you.
Kartona. No.
Last word.
Last word.
So actually you have
But give me one more.
glasses.
Like this?
Glasses. Like,
Oh, glasses.
I know it. You can just say it.
Does it start with a B?
No?
Does it start with a S?
No?
What does it start with?
N?
N.
N.
Nodara. Nodara.
Nodara.
Nodara. Do I get it?
No.
The-
And the last words.
Your last word is...
Wait. استنى. ودي الكلمة الأخيرة. I think that's right to say.
Okay.
الكلمة الأخيرة. Okay, يلا.
Honey.
Honey, asshole.
Yes.
But
I won. Woo!
okay.
I get No. I get gato. Torta. Woo!
Okay.
Torta.
Okay.
هلا.
ألف
torta
مبروك.
شوكولاتة.
ألف مبروك.
لأنا. Woo!
ألف مبروك يا ميراتي.
شكرا. شكرا يا
أنت-
جوزي.
أنتي عرفتي كتير.
شكرا. وأنت كمان يا آسل.
يا عسل. Are you happy now?
I won.